Hi, it's Annelie. Today I want to show you an easy way to make your own texture paste if you want to do a little bit of crafting and so on. This is ready mixed polyfilla or crack filler. You can even use your powder form, your all-purpose crack filler, and mix it with a little bit of water until it's got this texture. I'm going to put in a little bit of my cold glue, as we call it in South Africa. I don't know what you call it there, but that's your wood glue. I'm just going to put in a little bit of that there. Mix it in. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of texture around my corners. And then I'm going to let it dry. So this works very nice for a lot of textures. I've got these they are very old and they're still very nice. They don't flake off or anything. Okay, for now I'm just going to put it in the sun to dry, and as soon as it's dried I will come and paint on this.